project here at Lippert was to replace an existing line to produce RV passage doors. Labor is a big problem in this county, and so we wanted to do an automation project, improve the production, the quality, but a big focus on reducing labor.
We had a lot of increased growth and demand from our customers, not only for more product and higher volume, but also for better quality product.
We came up with a system of 4 Onsrud CNC routers with Fanuc controls and 2 Fanuc 2000i robots.
The Fanuc control system and the Fanuc robot they're made for each other. It's basically plug and play. You set it up, you do a little bit of programming offline. RoboGuide, for instance, is a fabulous tool where we can simulate the whole system before we put it in so that the time to get the whole system up and running on site is very minimal.
Panel I is our preferred system when we do an automation system based on the communication, the hard drive that's in it, the touch screen that's in it, all the features about that we really like. When Onsrud specs a Fanuc system, we like a data server for large program storage. We like high-speed machining. We like extra offsets. We like lots of nice features that Fanuc offer. We typically put those in our control systems.
Before, we used to pre-cut everything to size, so the operators laying the fiberglass and plastic to the foam, they had to be 100% accurate. With the way we're doing it with Onsrud and Fanuc, we route around it so they could be a little bit off. It's not so much pressure on them. And at the end of the line, we still get a better quality product. The new program that Onsrud came up with, you don't have to know G-codes. You have the print, it's got the dimensions on it, you just type them in, and it's done.
One thing about this project was that the product we're trying to machine is not square, and there's no square edge to reference from. And so we used the Fanuc IR vision system and a backlit conveyor to find the corner. Our system is much faster than what they used to be doing. We're doing 2/3 more cutting at the same time that they were cutting the old way.
The robots have allowed us to pull the operators out of the cell, which is safer, more consistent for the end product. We convey the product in, we convey also the scrap out, so a lot of the cleanliness and upkeep has been improved over what we had in the past.
Fiberglass, nobody wants to work with. It's very uncomfortable. We still have the dust and particles on the air, but with the new cell, we're containing it inside. So you see our guys working on the line, at the end of the day, they're the cleanest guys that go home.
Fanuc has become our control of choice because of the great reliability of the system, lifetime parts availability, the fabulous service from Fanuc, from Onsrud, from our distributor network.
We're a creative company, Lippert Components is, so we like teaming up with really creative partners that can take our ideas and turn it into a reality. The past couple machines that we had bought from C.R Onsrud, we've had really good results with. They helped us design really cool cells.
Lippert has been one of the best companies to work with, and there's a big future between Onsrud, Scarlett, Lippert, Fanuc.